Please wear clean and proper attire. Here are the basic tools needed for installation. In this video, we will be mounting the TV to a masonry wall. Open a terminal box to check the depth of the wall. The wall thickness should be less than 17 centimeters. Use a stud finder to find and mark the location of wires, nails, and metal studs. If the wall has wooden studs, you may mark and drill into those. Otherwise, avoid any metal obstacles. Once the installation location is decided, reinstall the terminal box. Use a TV pattern to select the height and location the customer wants. Make and use a TV pattern which is the exact same size of the TV. When opening the box from the top, make sure the TV doesn't fall. Pull off the protective foam covering. Place this covering on the top of the box. Open the flaps on the bottom of the box. Slide the styrofoam corner pieces about halfway off. Grip the TV from the bottom and lift. Place the TV on the top of the box that has been put aside. Place onto the top of the box carefully so the box won't collapse. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws. An electric drill could damage the TV when on too high of a torque setting. Put a mat on the place where you will install the TV and lay down the installation tools. If you use an electric drill, use a vacuum to suck up any dust. When using less than a 13 centimeter anchor bolt, the depth of the hole should be deeper than 5 centimeters. When using over a 13 centimeter anchor bolt, the depth of the hole should be deeper than 8 centimeters. At this time, only tighten the screw on one side. Use a ruler to adjust the level and then tighten the screw on the opposite side. When using anchor bolts, use 8 of them. After installing the wall mount, pull the bracket forward. Raise the TV and hang it on the bracket. When holding the TV, Do not touch the front panel. This is an example of incorrect handling. If the panel is twisted or pressed upon, it could be damaged. Try your best to avoid pushing on the panel directly. Once the TV is installed, insert the safety pins on the upper right and left side to prevent detachments. To adjust the level, turn the micro adjustment screw on the bottom. Use a cable tie to arrange the cables. Attach the sponges to the top and bottom corners to reduce vibration. After installation, roll up the mat gently so the dust will not come out. Use a vacuum to clean up the dust. To mount to the stand, first attach the stand body to the base. Attach the 4 screws to the stand. Please make sure the TV stand is strong enough to support the TV.